Practice set 1.3. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with correct number. Determinant of 3, 2, 4, 5 is equal to 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4, that is equal to 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. Question 2. Find the values of the following determinants. 1. Determinant of -1, 7, 2, 4. This is equal to -1 into 4 minus 7 into 2. That is equal to -4 minus 14, which is equal to -18. Two. Determinant of 5, 3 minus 7, 0. This is equal to 5 into 0 minus 3 into -7, which is equal to 0 plus 21, that is equal to 21. Three. Determinant of 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. That is equal to 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2, which is equal to 7 upon 6 minus 15 upon 6. That is equal to minus 8 upon 6, which is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Question 3. Solve the following simultaneous equations by Gamer's rule. 1. 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. D is equal to determinant of 3 minus 4, 4, 3, which is equal to 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4, that is equal to 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. Dx is equal to determinant of 10 minus 4, 5, 3, that is equal to 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5, which is equal to 30 plus 20, that is equal to 50. Dy is equal to determinant of 3, 10, 4, 5, which is equal to 3 into 5 minus 10 into 4, that is equal to 15 minus 40, that is equal to minus 25. X is equal to dx upon d, which is equal to 50 upon 25, that is equal to 2. And y is equal to dy upon d, that is equal to minus 25 upon 25, which is equal to 1. So the answer is, the solution of the given equation is x, y is equal to 2 minus 1. Two. 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. So this is equal to 4x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 6x plus 5y is equal to 8. Now, D is equal to determinant of 4, 3, 6, 5, which is equal to 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6, that is equal to 20 minus 18, that is equal to 2. Dx is equal to determinant of 4, 3, 8, 5, which is equal to 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8, that is equal to 20 minus 24, which is equal to minus 4. Dy is equal to determinant of 4, 4, 6, 8, that is equal to 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6, which is equal to 32 minus 24, that is equal to 8. Now, x is equal to dx upon d, which is equal to minus 4 upon 2, that is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to dy upon d, that is equal to 8 upon 2, which is equal to 4. So the answer, the solution of the given equation is x, y is equal to minus 2, 4. Three. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. D is equal to determinant of 1, 2, 2, minus 3. So that is equal to 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 7. Dx is equal to determinant of minus 1, 2, 12, minus 3, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 12, that is equal to 3 minus 24, which is equal to minus 21. Dy is equal to determinant of 1, minus 1, 2, 12, which is equal to 1 into 12 minus minus 1 into 2, that is equal to 12 plus 2, which is equal to 14. Now, x is equal to dx upon d, which is equal to minus 21 upon minus 7, that is equal to 3. And y is equal to dy upon d, that is equal to 14 upon minus 7, which is equal to minus 2. Answer, the solution of the given equation is x, y is equal to 3 minus 2. 4. 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 and 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. D is equal to determinant of 6 minus 4, 8 minus 3, that is equal to 6 into minus 3 minus minus 4 into 8, that is equal to minus 18 plus 32, which is equal to 14. Dx is equal to determinant of minus 12 minus 4 minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 12 into minus 3 minus minus 4 into minus 2, that is equal to 36 minus 8, which is equal to 28. Dy is equal to determinant of 6 minus 12, 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6 into minus 2 minus minus 12 into 8, which is equal to minus 12 plus 96, that is equal to 84. Now, x is equal to dx upon x, which is equal to 28 upon 14, that is equal to 2. And y is equal to dy upon d, which is equal to 84 upon 14, that is equal to 6. So the answer is, the solution of the given equation is x, y is equal to 2, 6. 5. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. D is equal to determinant of 4, 6, 3, 2, which is equal to 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3. That is equal to
8 p.m.
8 minus 18, which is equal to minus 10. dm is equal to determinant of 54, 6, 28, 2. That is equal to 54 into 2 minus 28 into 6. That is equal to 108 minus 168, which is equal to minus 60. dn is equal to determinant of 4, 54, 3, 28. That is equal to 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3, which is equal to 112 minus 162, and that is equal to minus 50.
It's 8:59 p.m.
Now, m is equal to dm upon d, which is equal to
It's
minus 60
8:59
upon
p.m.
minus 10, so that is equal to 6. And n is equal to dn upon d, which is equal to minus 50 upon minus 10, that is equal to 5. Answer: the solution of the given equation is mn is equal to 6, 5. 6. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. So, 2x minus y is equal to 1. D is equal to determinant of 2, 3, 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 2. That is equal to minus 2 minus 6, and that is equal to minus 8. dx is equal to determinant of 2, 3, 1 minus 1, which is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 1. That is equal to minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 5. dy is equal to determinant of 2, 2, 2, 1. That is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2, which is equal to 2 minus 4, that is equal to
It's
minus 2.
9:01 p.m.
Now, x is equal to dx
It's
upon d,
9:01 p.m.
so that is equal to minus 5 upon minus 8,
It's
which is equal to
9:01 p.m.
5 upon 8. And y is equal
It's
to
9:01
dy
p.m.
upon d, which is equal to minus 2 upon minus 8,
It's 9:01
that is equal
p.m.
to 1 upon 4. Answer: the solution of the given equation is x, y is equal to 5 upon 8, 1 upon 4.